In just 5 years, DeFi is projected to almost double its market size, with major players like BlackRock, JP Morgan, and Fidelity pouring billions into decentralized financial technologies already. With DeFi, you unlock way faster transactions. While banks take days to process loans or cross-border payments, DeFi protocols handle them in seconds. Want to maximize returns? Well, your system will identify the highest yield liquidity pools, staking opportunities, or investment options in real time. And here's the kicker, your DeFi dashboard could learn from your behavior. It'll refine and optimize your strategies as it gathers data, delivering better results every single month. Now, here's something even more exciting. Right now, investing across borders is a logistical nightmare. High fees, currency exchange rates, and endless delays. DeFi eliminates that. Let's say you're a retail investor in the US and you see an opportunity to invest in a renewable energy project in Brazil. With DeFi, you could fund that project instantly. No middleman, no red tape, and no outrageous fees. And it's not just individuals. Entire businesses could tap into decentralized funding sources from around the entire globe, creating a new era of borderless economic collaboration. In 10 years, investing won't just be local, it could be global by default. And here's another wild thought for you that could very well be our reality. By 2034, virtually every valuable asset could be tokenized. And what does that mean? It means you'll be able to own fractions of assets that were once out of reach. Think of any physical asset like a property or a painting. DeFi now allows you to own pieces of these assets as tokens. Want to invest in a skyscraper in Manhattan? DeFi will tokenize that building, allowing you to buy a share of it for as little as $1,000 or $500. That's right, you could buy a token and own part of it instead of just having shares or owning the whole thing. Dreaming of owning fine art? Tokenization can make billion-dollar paintings accessible to everyday investors. Just buy a token and you own a piece of it. And the returns for these investments would be paid directly to your digital wallet in real time. This level of fractionalized ownership could completely democratize wealth building, opening doors to investment opportunities that were once reserved only for billionaires. And the best thing is, we're already underway with this. There are many platforms offering tokens for real-world asset tokenization, like Hedera. The bottom line, over the next 10 years, DeFi won't just compete with traditional finance, it'll completely redefine it. And I've just scratched the surface of what's to come. The early movers, the ones who recognize the shift and position themselves now, will reap the biggest rewards. And in just a moment, I'm going to show you how you can get started. Stick with me. Plus, if we take a look at receipts, as mentioned before, this mass adoption is well underway. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has launched Bitcoin ETFs earlier this year and is now exploring tokenized assets on the blockchain. JP Morgan has created their own cryptocurrency, the JPM coin, for cross-border payments. Tesla holds over 700 million in Bitcoin as a reserve asset. The SEC has also approved the Ethereum ETF and might be approving an XRP ETF, injecting over billions more into the crypto market within weeks. These aren't fringe players. They're the titans of global finance. And if they're moving into DeFi, what does that tell you? Plus, Bitcoin has now surpassed silver and the famous Saudi oil company Aramco in market capitalization, making it the 7th largest asset in the entire world. But here's the thing, while DeFi has immense potential, it's not without its challenges. Entering into this space without understanding the risks could lead to big mistakes. That's why we've got a few videos on this channel breaking down these risks and showing you how to navigate them like a pro. Be sure to check them out. So, knowing all of this information, you now have to make a choice. You can stick with the traditional system, that's fine, but if you want to tap into this $20 trillion industry before everything keeps on going up and up and up, then I would suggest diving into DeFi, where you become the bank, where you earn the fees, and you decide how your money works. And if you're looking to do that, we've created a free training that walks you through the exact steps to get started with DeFi. We'll break down exactly what our strategy is in these markets, but more importantly, exactly how to use it with a step-by-step game plan. Some say crypto is too volatile, but here's the truth. Volatility is where the opportunity lies, if you know how to navigate it. And we'll teach you exactly how to navigate it. Just hit the link below in the description, and that will take you to our free training. So until next time, my friends, that's it for me today. I'll see you on the other side, and I hope to see you on the right side of history. Take care.